I wish there was senior level finance leadership available for my business to help me navigate the financial challenges that I face. And that really stuck with me. I started doing research about this idea and I came across this fractional CFO industry. I saw real potential in this fractional model, and that's where Creatic was born. I would strongly recommend the upcoming leaders is learn how to lead with empathy. It's really important in these days. We are surrounded by AI, we are surrounded by machines, and it will grow now. Like there's no stopping to this. It's very important to have that element of empathy, have the emotional intelligence. Your EI always be more important than any AI tool that you use. What they don't have is someone who can help them guide for the future, who can help them in taking their strategic decisions in the future. When we discovered this problem, when we addressed the problem, when we rectified the issues, in about 6 months' time, they were able to see the change. They were able to see the profit. They were able to see cash being generated in the business. What they lacked was a financial expertise of someone looking into what's happening inside of their services, what's happening from the pricing point of view. What they were confused is if the 3 locations are doing well, if there is profit on the books, where is the cash? It was a very simple question. But the problem was they had never looked at cash reports before. They had never looked at their cash flow before. All they looked was a historical profit P&L. So again, with my involvement with this particular business, we implemented a lot of cash flow reports, a lot of forecasting. They actually grew from strength to strength within the same business. And they were able to very recently, few months back, they were able to open the 4th location without really going through bank loans or putting in more equity into the business. When I work with these businesses, I don't see myself as a fractional CFO. What I see myself is an interpreter between the operations and the finance of the business. In saying that, I interpret finance language in terms of their business operations. I keep things very simple. I do not talk in technical jargons. For example, if I'm talking about cash, what I try to explain them is if you're spending $1 and if you're receiving 80 cents, there is a problem. Do not go into technical terms of cash cycles, cash conversion cycles, and ratios.